Instead of buying bread you don't know how it was made, why don't you make your own bread at home with just few ingredients? Let me show you how I made this soft bread from the comfort of my home. Okay, sit back and let's dive right in. First off, we're going to combine our wet ingredients, 1.5 cup of water. Then we are going to go in with 2 tablespoons of instant yeast. Then we are going to go in with 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then you mix everything together, mix it together and you set it aside. Then in your bowl, you go in with 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you go in with 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of milk. Then you give everything a quick mix everything together just like I am doing here. After you mix everything together, you go ahead and you set it aside. Then I'm going to be using my food processor to knead because I don't have a mixer. I want to give it a try so it will help me for the first time. So I go ahead and I pour it into my food processor. If you have a mixer at this point, you go ahead and you use your mixer because kneading by hand is actually very difficult. I will not lie to you. So after putting it into my food processor, I'll go ahead and I will cover it and I will start kneading with my food processor. Okay, please guys, if you're new here and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, and also share my video. So after kneading for some time, I will go ahead and I will add 60 grams of butter, which is 5 tablespoons of room temperature butter or margarine, anyone you have. So after kneading for some time, this is how my dough is looking with my food processor, and it is not okay yet. So I will go ahead and I will flour my work surface, bring out my dough, and I will start kneading with my hand. But actually, like I said before, kneading with your hand when you're making your bread is very, very difficult. It is better if you have a mixer, but if you don't have, you can actually still knead. So I'll go ahead and knead it. You can see that my dough has come together. This is how you will knead till you make your dough look like this, very soft and fluffy. Then you go ahead and you put some vegetable oil into your pan. Then you place back your dough in it. We are doing this so it will not dry out when it is doubling in size. So you go ahead and you cover it with your cling film or you cover with your towel for 1 hour so that it will double in size. You cover it like this and leave it to rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm going to bring out my dough, and this is how my dough is looking like. It has doubled in size. So I'll just go ahead and punch it out to release some excess air. After that, I'll just wring it out and I'll place it back into my work surface. Just give it some quick knead, just like this, nothing much. You don't want to overdo it this time. So after I go ahead and I bring it together like this, I will cut it into equal shape. I'll use my knife and I'll cut it into equal shape. You can actually cut it to the shape that you want, maybe to the size that you want. You can use your scale at this point, but I'm not using scale here. I'll just go ahead and do it this way. So I'll just bring out one of the portion and I'll use my rolling pin to roll it out. Please guys, if you've watched up until this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I am a growing YouTuber that is trying to build our audience. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell, share my videos to your friends and family, and thank you. So after rolling it out, you are going to fold like this, and please, whenever you're folding your bread, make sure you are folding it tightly so that when you bake it is not going to open. Just look at the way I am folding it in. This is how you want to fold it in. Once you roll it, you press it down, press it down just like this so that when you bake, your bread is not going to open in your baking pan. You seal it up like this. Just this is how you want it to look. So you place it in your oiled pan already. You can butter or you can use your baking sheet to do that. So I go ahead and I do the second part and I place it back into my pan. So what we are going to do here, we are going to cover it, just oil it a little bit with our vegetable oil, and we are going to allow it rest for 30 minutes. So it will just double in size a little. This is how you bake your bread. This is how you make your bread at home. So I'll cover it up and I'll allow it rest for extra 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what it is looking like. It has doubled in size. You can see that. This is what it is looking like. So I'll just go ahead and I'll cover. But if you don't want to cover, you can leave it, cover and bake. And after baking, this is what our bread is looking like. Tell me, will you still be buying bread in the supermarket when you can actually make your own bread at home? Look at how soft this bread came out. Very looking very fine. Like, why will you be buying bread that you don't know what they put inside when you can actually make your own at home with just few ingredients that I showed you from the beginning of this video? Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I do not take your support for granted. Thank you guys. Until I come your way next time. Bye bye.